Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. One thing we have to understand and embrace is that our industries have definitely come a long way. From managing their supply chain and all their processes internally, they have been done in such a manual way. But thanks to the digital transformation that we have systems that have been set in place to make sure that we have smart companies. This is where we are, and this is where we are definitely embracing this digital transformation and also the application of artificial intelligence and also IoT. This is a forum where we are going to discuss on how we can be able to embrace the smart companies. With what has happened in the pandemic, definitely things will not be the same again. We have all of us to embrace technology and ensure that we take our organizations to the next level. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you to the Africa Industry 4.0 Summit. We have also advanced from CIO East Africa to CIO Africa. We are embracing the world, and this is a forum where we are going to teach, train, and learn from each other on how we can be able to upskill and upsell our products. Also with the systems that have been put in place, with the MPLS that has been there, and industries are also able to interconnect to the branches and now gradually move into SD1 development. And how do you also just manage your internal processes, manage the payments, and how you can be able to do everything from the comfort of your home. You'd like to monitor also what your sales team is doing, and I'm confident that you already have a CRM process in place. We have people and partners who are here with us to tell us on how we can be able to upscale and take it to the next level. Ladies and gentlemen, it is going to be exciting. This is where we're going to hear from our various partners. We have panels that are there, and we are going to engage each other, and also we have very seasoned speakers from the industry who are going to definitely take this conversation to the level that it is desired. We are excited and we are glad to have you here. My name is Ian Mwerore, and I will be your moderator today. Are you excited and are you fired up? Where you're seated, I am confident that you are the chosen one to make sure that you take that industry, the manufacturing industry, to the next level. All right, and to give us the welcome remarks, this is a lady who has also been at the forefront of this organization and making sure that the development of the digital transformation comes into place. But before I even introduce her, I'd like to just let you know that our social media handles are #CIO Industry 40 Forum, #CIO Africa. So just make sure you note out those two hashtags that are in place so that you can be able just to tweet, go to Instagram, go to all our social media pages, and you will be able to find those hashtags. And to give us the welcome remarks, this is the CEO of CIO Africa. This is none other than Laura Chite. Over to you, Laura, and welcome as you give us the welcome remarks.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, welcome to the second Industry 4.0 brought to you by CIO Africa. I'm coming to you live from on-air studios at CIO Africa, Nairobi, Kenya. My name is Laura Chite, and I'm the CEO of CIO Africa. We are so excited to host you today at the Africa Industry 4.0 Summit, and there's very exciting things we're going to talk about. We've been talking about Industry 4.0 for the last 1 year, but what does it mean? It is the automation of ongoing traditional methods of manufacturing, but we want to move into modern methods of manufacturing. We are now in the fourth industrial revolution, and in the manufacturing space, whether you like it or not, you have to move on and digitize your environment. There's 4 things that are driving Industry 4.0. 1, we have connected consumers and customized experiences. What does this mean in the bigger picture? What we're talking about is customers being able to engage with the manufacturer directly, being able to give feedback, and for the manufacturer to be able to collect data and make real-time decisions around this. Secondly, we talk about empowered employees. when we have employees in a working environment, we need to be able to empower the employees for them to make decisions and make the right decisions to be able to improve efficiency and increase productivity. So that way, even with digitizing your environment as a manufacturing person, you will be able to use worldwide talent. Like data analytics does not have to be sitting in the country that you are in, because you can do this remotely. Thirdly, we're talking about optimized production. In any manufacturing environment, you would love to have an optimized production. The reason why you're in business is to make money and to be able to produce goods and services that your customers can enjoy all the time, and there'll be no lack of product. Fourthly, we're talking about transformed products. Before your products go into the manufacturing line, you need to be able to test them. You need to be able to design products that are relevant to the audience or to your consumer. And the only way you can do this is if you have transformed products that are relevant today to your consumer. So, for you to be able to move into a digitized environment, there are solution providers that you need to engage with. And this is where CIO Africa comes in. We come in because we bring the manufacturing solutions, Industry 4.0 solutions to you, end users, so that you're able to pick the right solutions and start your digital journey. I know some of you started your digital transformation journey last year, and I would love to be able to take stock of where you are today. But let's see what some of our partners who have been able to join us to make this summit a success have to offer. So I'm going to start with CISPRO, who's one of our partners. And CISPRO are actually an organization that focus on ERP for manufacturing. They're a leading global enterprise resource planning software company. They provide industry-built enterprise solutions and specialized services for customers in manufacturing and distribution. Remember, when we talk about Industry 4.0, your distribution is also very important. Are your products getting to your customers on time? Are your products getting to your customers in the right quality? Through CISPRO ERP software, customers gain access to solutions, processes, and tools to assist in the management of data for key business insights and informed decision making. Data analytics, once again. Here we're talking about different hardware that is collecting a lot of data. IoT comes into play. So CISPRO can be able to provide this through their ERP solution. And we're talking about this, the ERP solution from CISPRO can be deployed in the cloud. That means it's elastic, can be used anytime, anywhere, on premise or both. So you can have both of them via the web or any device. As a trusted advisor, CISPRO remains committed to the success of its partners and customers by leveraging emerging technologies. Here we're talking about R&D, which is very important. For any technology solution to remain relevant to you, a lot of research and design has to go into play. So they leverage a lot of R&D that will enable them to secure a digital future. So CISPRO will be speaking to us today, and please make sure that you sit in the session and listen to some of the amazing things that they're able to offer you. Next, I will go to Honeywell, who's another one of our partners. And Honeywell, thank you so much for joining us today. And Honeywell focuses on end-to-end modern manufacturing solutions. What does that mean? Honeywell can assist manufacturers protect their staff, improve output, optimize inventory levels. And I think this is so important. Here we're talking about staff who are your human resource who are working in your manufacturing space. We're talking about optimizing inventory levels. As you're in the manufacturing line, you have products that come in and out. You have to order raw materials, you have to order service parts, you have to order all sorts of things to make your production process efficient. So Honeywell is able to provide solutions that do this. Reduce shipping errors. How do you track the products once they're being distributed? And then enhance space utilization to ensure consistent product quality. Whatever you produce as item number 1 has to have the same product quality as item number 15, as item number 27, so that the customer experience and the consumer experience is the same end to end from your productivity line. So if you want to make sure you manage your productivity quality very well, make sure you reach out to Honeywell for their solutions. They can do and they have products like hands-free, handheld, and industrial scanners as well. We do know that barcodes and scanners are very important. So we must make sure that we speak to Honeywell about all these things. Next, I'm going to go to Schneider Electric. Schneider Electric is one of our partners today. Schneider Electric actually focuses on the IoT environment. Schneider Electric is asking, what does your IoT environment look like in your plant, okay? With the rapid speed of businesses and the unrelenting pressure to increase output, industrial assets are being pushed harder than ever. This continuous strain poses real threats. With the Schneider Electric EcoStruxure platform, manufacturers are able to have IT and OT integration across multiple systems and sites. We do know that a lot of manufacturing companies have multiple sites. We know that you have multiple systems. It's not only one system that works in the whole production line. So how do you make sure all these are able to speak to each other, okay? EcoStruxure Plant, one of the products in the Schneider portfolio, for example, enables you to collect, conceptualize, and aggregate your operational data. I cannot emphasize the importance of data. You remember when I started my keynote presentation, I talked about collection of data to be able to speak directly back to the customer, to be able to produce goods that are important and relevant to the customer, to be able to manage the quality of your production, and also to be able to understand when and where you need to refill your products, what is running out, where your raw material is running out, what needs to be serviced. So data collection is very important because a lot of data is being collected through the different equipment you're using within your manufacturing line. So while Schneider manages to aggregate your operational data, they're also able to manage your assets. In any manufacturing environment, a lot of investment goes into assets, and this is important for you to manage. And then they're able to also do your application life cycles all within the same industrial data model. So based on what I've said about the three companies here, we can see that all these companies actually focus on manufacturing as core to them. But as you're working and improving your digitizing your manufacturing environment, there's something very important that we need to focus on as organizations. You need to think about your security. And when I talk about security, I'm talking about our security partners today, who is Fortinet. For more than a decade, Fortinet has protected OT environments in critical infrastructure sectors, such as energy, defense, manufacturing, food, and transportation. By designing security into complex infrastructure via the Fortinet Security Fabric, organizations have an efficient, non-disruptive way to ensure that the OT environment is protected and compliant. And let me stop there for a minute. Protection and compliant. Whatever you do in your technology environment, it is important to make sure that you are secure. Compliance is also very important from a perspective of collection of data. Remember, a lot of equipment is in that space. There's a lot of data that's going to be collected. Your customers have to feel secure about the data you're collecting, okay? So you must make sure that that data is safe and secure, and it is being used in a compliant way. Smart devices are the foundation of smart systems and smarter machines. They are the gateway to the information you need to take immediate action, improve productivity, and start your journey for digital transformation industry. This is what I have to say, ladies and gentlemen. Industry 4.0 is not a mindset. In order for you to survive in future, you have to realize it is a reality and it is critical for your success. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, and I look forward to you having a fantastic session today. Please remember to interact on the events platform. Please remember to sit through each and every one of our partners' presentations today. A lot of exciting content, and I'd like to thank our partners for coming on board, because without you, we would not have technology solutions to offer to our audience. I look forward to seeing you at the end of the session. Enjoy yourselves, and remember to share your comments, remember to engage with us on social media, and remember to answer the polls. Thank you.